Applying for jobs in 2025 feels like a full-time job itself. Endless resumes. Generic cover letters, no responses. But what if AI could help you cut through the noise and actually stand out? Today, we're showing you how to use AI to land internships and entry-level jobs, from building the perfect resume to writing cover letters and prepping for interviews. Welcome back to AITHORITY, where we explore the best ways to use AI to get ahead in work, study, and life. In today's video, we're talking to students, grads, and early career professionals. Whether you're applying for internships, your first full-time role, or trying to level up your LinkedIn, these AI tools will help you write better, prep smarter, and stand out faster. Let's get into it. Step 1. Build a resume that gets seen. First impressions count. And in job applications, that means your resume. Use tools like KickResume, Resi, or Teal2. Auto-generate a resume based on your experience. Tailor it to specific job descriptions. Format it for ATS, applicant tracking systems. Add action verbs and quantifiable results. Want help writing bullet points? Paste your experience into ChatGPT and prompt, "Rewrite this internship description in a results-oriented tone for a resume." Boom. It sounds professional and achievement-focused in seconds. Step 2. AI-powered cover letters. Now let's talk cover letters. Yes, recruiters still read them, especially for internships. With ChatGPT, just paste the job ad and your resume and prompt, "Write me a professional and concise cover letter for this role using my background." Or try tools like CoverDoc AI or Jobalyze, which create customized cover letters based on tone, role, and keywords, saving you hours. Pro tip: always tweak the opening line to sound more human and personal. AI gets you 90% there. You add the final 10. Step 3. Level up. Your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is your online resume, and AI can help you optimize it for recruiters and algorithms. Use tools like Taplio, Resume Worded, or Zopto to improve your headline and summary with AI suggestions. Analyze profile strength and keyword density. Generate banner images and summaries tailored to your industry. Want to go deeper? Prompt ChatGPT. Write a compelling LinkedIn bio for a marketing student applying for internships. Now, your profile works for you, even when you're not online. Step 4. AI interview prep. Interviews don't have to be scary, not when you prep with AI. Use tools like Interview Warmup by Google, Huru, or Udly AI to simulate common interview questions. Give feedback on your pacing, filler words, and tone. Suggest stronger ways to answer behavioral questions. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm responses. Try, "What's a strong response to, tell me about a time you overcame a challenge?" Practicing with AI builds confidence and helps you speak more clearly when it counts. Step 5. Stand out with personal branding. Want to take it further? Build a simple personal brand. Use Canva or Card to make a free digital portfolio. Then use ChatGPT to write your bio, generate a "Why Me" elevator pitch, script a short intro video, add that to your LinkedIn or resume, and suddenly, you're not just another applicant. You're a brand. Bonus tips: real prompts that work. Here are 3 real prompts you can use with ChatGPT or Claude to save time and improve quality. Prompt: rewrite my resume to match this job description using strong action verbs. Use it for tailoring applications quickly. Prompt: create 3 bullet points about my internship at company with measurable outcomes. Use it for results-driven resume content. Prompt: what are 5 smart questions I can ask during a product management internship interview? Use it for sounding prepared and engaged. The more specific you are, the better the results. AI isn't magic, it's leverage. Using AI ethically in job applications. I can give you an edge, but don't let it do everything. Use it to polish your writing, clarify your experience, and boost your confidence. But your story still needs to come through. Recruiters can spot generic, robotic content a mile away. Let AI support you, not speak for you. Found something useful? Drop a comment and tell us which AI tool you're using for your job hunt. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's job searching in 2025. And tomorrow, we're talking money. how creators are using AI to build income streams through content, automation, and affiliate marketing. Don't miss it.